Welcome to this Multisim software course. Today I will give you the introduction about Multisim software. Multisim software provided by the NI National Instrumentations in two versions. One is the lighter version, which is available is online or live, and another is the suite and package version, which you can download from the any account, any link, and that will be also available in trial version and some paid version. So whatever you can see, but here I will give you only introduction about the lighter version that is useful for you. So Multisim software is a platform where you can simulate electronic circuit, and so let's start. So first type in your browser Multisim, this like this, and you will get first link here www.multisim.com, and click here. And here you can see login and sign up. If you have already created like an account, then click on login. If you don't have, so click on here sign up. So after clicking on sign up, you will get this type of screen. So here you can type your simple name, nickname, and here your first name, your last name, and select your role, whatever your role. So if you are a student, so select student here, and fill your current institution's name or school name, and email address which is working or active right now, and create a password. This is not your email address password. You can create any random password here, which is this condition, fulfill this condition. Password must be a minimum 8 character and or case sensitive, only that's it. And after filling these details, click on here create account. After clicking create account, you will receive the mail from NI like this. So click on this link for confirmation. After clicking this, your account will confirm, and again type the here new tab, again type multisim, and here multisim.com, open multisim.com, and click on login button, right? So click on login button, and here you can fill your email address and type your password, and after that click on login, and you will find new screen like this. So here you can see top here create circuit. So if you want to create circuit, click on create circuit, and here you can see the nickname and your full name, and here you can see your profile detail, my profile, profile setting, anything. If you want to modify, you can modify it, and here total number of circuit what you have made, that will be so. So here I have made one circuit already, so that's why here showing one. So first click on create circuit. After clicking on creating circuit, you will get this type of screen, and here you can see this is component palette. In this component palette, first is the voltage, here analysis annotation for seeing the output things. You can select the voltmeter or ammeter, or voltmeter and ammeter, both are same here. And for here ground schematic connectors, ground connector junctions, and here is the source. Any source you can select according to your circuit, and here you can select passive component, passive in resistor, capacitor, inductor, anything what you need in your circuit. And here is the analog things, IC 555 primer, and here you can select the diode, Zener diode, LED, anything, and from here you can select the transistors, and here you can select the lamp or LED or buzzer for output purpose or anything. Here you can see the switches, SPST, any switch. You can just click, we can drag in your screen, and here modeling blocks, you can see here electro mechanical things, and you can see here power. Here you can see the digital things, digital constant, AND gate, OR gate, NAND gate, digital logic gates. And if you are this need multiple inputs, suppose there are 3 input, 4 inputs, you can click here. You can see here 2 input, 3 input, 4 input, 5 input, any input, 6, 7, 8, up to 8 input. If you need to, you can select here, you can pick and drag here. Okay, so this is component palette, and this triangle, small triangle, you can see the leftmost corner. This is small triangle for the run your simulation, or just circuit key, you can use Control R. And this is a schematic screen, and here is the grapher screen. If you have any graph in your circuit, you can see here. And this screen is split. It is means simultaneously you can see the circuit schematic as well as your graph, your output. And after these things, if you need to save your this circuit or graph or download it or mail it, you can simply click on this dot here, and this you can save or save as, or stream to, or export. So after clicking here, you can do that type of things. So first we will take one example for suppose negative clipper. Okay, so first we need diode. So here select diode, put here diode, and when we need voltage source, AC voltage source, can select here and click here, and one resistance, so click here and put here, and by using this button here you can rotate it, and also double click here and rename it in here, diode name. If you want to any name, you want to give any name, you can type here. Okay, so connect it from, this is hand type of cursor, but like cursor will change when you are connecting like this, and you can connect it when it like this. So you can connect it from to here. Okay, this point, and this point is like this. When you see this type of cursor, then only you can able to connect it. Okay, so connect it. Okay, and again here okay, so circuit is complete. Okay, so now here click on this run button. So if you are clicking run button, so you can see here on description, no ground node bars found. Okay, so stop it first and reset it, and pick the ground from here. Okay, and connect it, just it. Okay, then in again you can run it. Okay, see the graph, what will the graph. Okay, no graph we will see. So again stop it and reset it, and click on schematic window again, here schematic screen, and here because I don't have any voltmeter or ammeter, so any display, output display things I have not connected, so that's the reason I will not see the any output. So connect here this voltmeter, in here input side like this, and reference, voltage reference also connect here like this. Okay, so just again click on run button. Okay, see here this voltage is showing, so you will click on this graph icon and you can see the graph like this. Okay, So if you modify this, you can click here setting and drop down it and here you can see the amplitude, this one voltage minimum maximum, so you can set it -10 to +10. Okay, +10, so that's amplitude will reduce. Okay, fine. And again back to asymptotic window. So this is input whatever I am applying, and click here, and this you will see like this, and top you can see into 10 means whatever here value that multiply by 10 times. So if you change that value 10 volts, so you can click simply here, so it will come in 10 volt. If you again click on 1 volt, so here bottom you can see 0.1 multiply, so click here, so it's again 1 volt, and you can simply slide it and you can increase or decrease the voltage. So if we need to set it 5 volt, so okay, 5 volt, slide it, okay, it's 5 volt, right? And if you want to change the frequency also from here, you can also direct put the value from here, voltage or frequency or anything, phase, what you want, you can set here. And you can click here, and if you want to change the name, you can also click here and in resistance and click here, double click in resistance, and you can change the value of resistance also, or name also. This you can click here and you can change the name of the resistance. Okay, and for output side again we need first it's reset it, so that panel window will come, and again connect this voltmeter in output side here. Okay, here output side, and reference point also from here like this. Okay, so again run it and you will see the output as well input. Okay, so see here you can get the output and input both waveforms. And if you want if you want only output, so just click on this PR1 unselect it, so only you can see the output graph. And if you select only input, so you can select see the input graph, and you see here whatever value I have mentioned, +10 to -10 here voltage I have set this minimum -10 and maximum +10 volt. So here is -10 volt, you can see this bi-axis -10 volt, and you can see here +10 volt, but my input voltage is 5 volts, so it's peak to peak +5 and -5, which we have decided is here +5 volt. So that's my graph is up to only +5 volt and -5 volt. This is input graph, and this is your output graph. So here you can see this negative cycle of this sine wave, it's cutting, so this is negative clipper. So all about this is a negative clipper, and you can say, make any type of circuit like this here and simulate it. Okay, so if you got any benefits from this video, so don't forget to subscribe and like it, and also share to your friends, so they will also get the same benefits. Okay, thank you.